Ever noticed you yawn when someone else does? This common phenomenon is often linked to something fascinating in our brains called mirror neurons. These specialized brain cells activate not just when we perform an action, but also when we observe someone else doing it. In the case of yawning, mirror neurons are thought to play a role in empathy and social bonding. When we see someone yawn, our brains subconsciously mimic that action, especially with people we feel connected to. It's a subtle sign of our social intelligence and how deeply intertwined our emotional states can be. So next time you catch a yawn, remember, it might just be your brain showing some empathy. Like this video if you learned something new today.